In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a checkbox in Figma. Let's launch the Figma app. In the top right menu, click on Design. Now we have to add a plugin to create a checkbox. In the bottom menu, click on the Action button. In the pop-up menu, click on Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, search for Iconify. This is the plugin that we are looking for. Let's click on it. In the pop-up menu, click on Run. In the plugin, click on the search icon and search for Check. Here, you will get a lot of icons. Select any one from here. After selecting, click on Import as Component. By doing this, you will not have to make a component of it later. Let's resize our icon. After resizing, right-click on the icon. In the pop-up menu, click on Add Auto Layout. In the right side menu, scroll down and click on Stroke. Increase the stroke padding to 3 points. Now set the cornering to 20. In the right side menu, click on Fill and change the fill to pure white. Now select the whole component. At the top of the right side menu, click on the Add Variant option. Now select the first rectangle and double-click on the check icon. In the right side menu, click on Fill and change the fill color to pure white. That way, the icon will seem invisible to plain sight. Now select the second rectangle and change its fill. I will change it to a bluish color. Now remove the outline stroke for this rectangle. Now double-click on the check icon and change its fill to white. Let's name the component Checkbox. Our visual for the icon is complete. Now we have to connect them together. In the right side menu, click on Prototype. Now select the first rectangle. On the right side of the first rectangle, you will see a little circle. Drag this circle to the second rectangle and connect them. After connecting, a pop-up should appear automatically. In the pop-up, make sure that the trigger is set to on-click and the animation is set to instant. Now select the second rectangle and connect it, just like before. In the bottom menu, click on the Frame option and create a frame on the canvas. In the left side menu, click on Asset. In the Asset menu, click on Created in this file. Here you can see the component we just created. Drag this component into the frame we created. Now select the new frame and run the prototype. Here you can see that we have successfully created a checkbox. Following these steps, you can create checkboxes in Figma easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.